Danny, very active. He's participating in all these King of Series, you know. And I think just entering just comps in general over and over, you know, that's one way to get real good real quick. So going into blind as well, hell yeah, let's go ahead and get it.
We get lost and found in the moment. Got a feeling you're the holy grail. Got a taste of heaven when I'm with you. I'm never letting go of you now. You got a touch of magic.
Love the vibe.
What's the secret potion? Come on, are you the man? You got that mystic feeling, makes me go insane. What's the secret potion? Come on, are you the man? You got me high, make me rise, got me high, alive.
Very patient, love it.
Make me rise, got me high, alive. Got me high.
Oh, are those idols? Wow, that burst of tech there at the drop, really good.
We get lost and found in the moment.
Clean pastors here.
Slowly in the dark. Got a taste of heaven when I'm with you. I could never get enough of you now. You got a touch of magic. It lingers in your hand.
I don't think I've ever seen Danny use iNovas before.
Come on, you're the man. You got that
And the palm lights.
makes me go insane. What's that secret potion? Come on, you're the man. You got me high, make me rise, got me high. I love you. Got me high, make me rise, got me high.
Wow. Lots of variety in this show. Very proper. Ooh, very clean. Wow, dude. Honestly, great show from Danny. I love that. That was awesome. I thought that Danny's energy to the song was very good, very proper. I'm pretty excited to see, like, you know, if Danny were to move forward, what else could he do with the iNovas? Very good energy, lots of variety. I think, you know, with these King of Series battles, it's kind of like each genre kind of has its own, like, it has its own character, right? And I think with Trance, it's really about, at least from my opinion, it's really about that feeling of the journey, right? Making the audience or making the show feel as if it was like a journey, and that was definitely something that I thought Danny exemplified really well. So let's go ahead and watch Crystal's show. Hell yeah, I think this is Crystal's first time competing. Let's go. Love to see it. Hell yeah. And I love, you know, there is no rules against vertical video, guys. I think this might be our very first vertical submission. And, you know, hey, I gotta say, I've actually became very accustomed to vertical video nowadays because I'm always TikTok. So I got no qualms with this. This is fine. Let's go ahead and watch. No, we started off at the build-up. Interesting choice. Love it. Here we go. Nice musicality there. Oh, she hitting the blah blah blahs there. Yeah. Nice. You're good, Crystal. Don't be sorry. Vertical submissions are totally accepted. Good musicality there. Nice. Good pickup there. Very good representation of the sound there, in my opinion. Ooh. Wow, even the speed there with those sounds, really good representation of the music. Nice. Ooh, some clean circles there. Is that a tracer in between, or is that the thumbs? Are the thumbs a tracer there? Nice, Crystal. Yo, yes, absolutely. So for a first submission, really good. And I think what both entries did really well was their matching of the energy to the song. I think for both submissions, the energy for whatever song that they brought was really accurate, and I love that. Thumbs and pinkies as a tracer, sick, sick, sick. Their thumbs. Oh, the other thumbs. Got it, yeah, well done. Keep it going, keep it going. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.